In this video, I'll be showing you how to find your Samsung phone model. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on any Samsung phone. Now, this can be useful if you need to check your warranty, or maybe you're trying to sell your phone, so you need to list it with the correct details, anything like that. But what you want to go ahead and do is firstly go over to your settings application, and then once you're here, go ahead and scroll down. Then what you're going to see is about phone as like either the last option or the second last option. Then literally instantly you're going to see your product name, your model name, and everything, basically every detail that you need is going to be right here. And then you can obviously list it however you want, and then you'll be good to go. Of course, if you want to rename your phone, so like let's say if you're connecting via Bluetooth or anything like that, you can rename it like that, but your product name is still going to stay the same. So just bear that in mind. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.